Most businesses don't realize how much time they waste every single month just handling repetitive customer communications manually. From replying to inquiries, managing follow-ups, booking consultation, and collecting customer information. These small tasks slowly consumes hours every single day. And by the end of the month, businesses lose 100 plus hours doing work that have completely automated. But what if your business could handle all these conversations automatically on WhatsApp? What if customer could instantly receive replies on WhatsApp even when you are sleeping? So in this video, I'll show you how to save 100 plus hours every month by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, a powerful drag and drop platform that helps businesses automate customer communications without writing a single line of code. And trust me, once you understand the creation of these flow, you will realize why businesses are rapidly shifting towards WhatsApp automation to save time, improve customer experience, and scale faster. So I have created this amazing chatbot for wedding planners as a complete example, and this is the flow of this chatbot that I have created by using Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. It works in real time like this, 24/7. So without wasting any more time, let's understand the whole concept behind this flow and this tool in detail. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it's perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. This platform is designed in a very beginner-friendly way, which means even if you have never created automation before, you can still build a powerful WhatsApp chatbot system very easily. Everything works using a simple drag and drop blocks. In today's time, businesses need faster communication, instant support, and automated customer engagement to scale properly. Now first, let me take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a WhatsApp chatbot, you just have to go towards this flows feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder page where you can manage all of your WhatsApp chatbot flows. For creating a new flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. I have already created some before, and this is the flow that I'm going to explain you in this video. So I'm directly going in it. See, in real time, this flows work like this. This is the exact images that I have uploaded here. In few minutes, we'll understand each and everything more clearly. Here, everything works visually. You can do simply drag and drop process by using these buttons. Connect them together and create a complete customer journey step by step. For example, I have selected the trigger event as keyword. You can select any trigger event from here. Keywords are those manually entered voice that I expect that the user will send to me. I'll show you this in real time. See, as soon as I sang the keyword as hello, it will automatically welcomes me with two quick buttons. See, this is the same message that I have entered in this text node, and it includes two quick buttons by the name of venue suggestions and contact us. It is going to be delivered to your users like this. Now for setting up this type of message, you can take this text button from here, enter the content in this enter message box, and for adding a quick button, you just have to click on this plus add button. Select the button type from here and click on the save button. So this is how easily you can customize this type of text button. Moving forward, I have taken the next button as text button with the media node. So for setting this type of messages, at first you have to take this text button from here, enter the message content in this field completely based on your business. Click on this plus add content button, select the content type from here as media. After that, select the media type as image. It will provide you multiple media types. After selecting it, you just have to upload the image related to your business from your gallery. The process of uploading image is the easiest thing. I have already one, so I'm directly copy pasting its link from here. Next, enter the caption in the center caption box and give the button button name as book now. And see how simply you can customize this type of node. For adding multiples, again you just have to click on this plus add content button, select the content type as text button, enter the content in this field, and done the same process that we have done in the previous step. You can add as much as images and content as you want. So if you like this tool till now and you also want to do the same, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. See, in real time this message is going to be sent to the users just like this. After adding the images and content, I have made the connection between the button and the node. See, this is the connection, and as soon as I have clicked on this view suggestion button, then within a second it will automatically sends me the same content that I have uploaded here. So it works like this. Moving forward, I have taken the next node as contact custom fields. You can get this from here. See, contact custom fields are user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, event type, and many more. It is used for sending personalized message to each user. You can also create a contact custom field by clicking on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. See, in real time it works like this. As soon as I have clicked on the book now button of this platinum package, it will automatically mention the same package at the end, as it gives a personalized reply based on my input. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields that I have selected here, and with this dollar symbol too, as this dollar symbol is a contact custom field symbol. After that, I have added the question node in this flow. For adding a questions, you just have to click on this ask question button, enter the question in this field, again select the contact custom field from here. After that, select the format, and next the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your user for answering this question. It also works like this. Here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then for handling this type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box, just like I have entered it as please enter your full name correctly. You have only one attempt left. I have entered this as a complete example. You can customize it. After that, I ask my user to share their contact number, and in this question node, I ask my user to share their wedding date. And lastly, I have taken this text button where I added the last respond message, and I use the dollar symbol in front of those fields that I want to make dynamic. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. After designing a flow, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. As I told you earlier, I have created this flow as a dummy example. You can customize it based on your own business. And if you want me to create a separate chatbot flow for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. Ask about their information and works 24/7 even when you are sleeping. So go and try this amazing tool for your own business too. It will save a lot of your time. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.